How can a bracelet fight human trafficking? I will let you know in this video. I have a review of the CauseBox seasonal subscription box so that you can see what goodies I got in this ethically good subscription box that actually does something good for the world. Welcome, my name is Maria and I love sharing fashion lookbooks, fun DIYs, helpful reviews, and recipe videos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can be part of the Artsy Cupcake crew. I love subscription boxes and I bring you lots of reviews on the new ones that I get every season. This was the first time I've tried out CauseBox, and I want to give you my first impressions and let you know how it stacks up to other subscription boxes. I had seen an ad for CauseBox on Facebook and I got curious, so I ordered myself an annual subscription. You get a savings when you do an annual order, so each box is $49 instead of $54. You get 4 boxes per year, one for each season, and they are packed with 6 to 8 beautiful goodies from socially conscious brands. Each box has at least $200 worth of products, so you're getting a really good deal, and it's fun to try out brands that you may not have found otherwise. There will be a range of beauty, health, makeup, skin and body care products, fashion, and home items included in your CauseBox. Like other subscription boxes, you do get a choice for some of the products, and I will show you everything that I got, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the quality and the feel of the items, and I will show you where I did have an option to choose a color or a pattern before it was shipped to me. So let's get right into this unboxing of my Spring 2019 CauseBox. First of all, this box is so pretty with this illustrator, Elijah Horvat, who is from Slovenia. The packaging on this box is so super cute. You get a little magazine with interesting articles and details on all the products included in the season's box. There were 9 items in this box, and each was packaged very carefully so that nothing would leak or break during transport. The first item is the Glass Ladder and Company Vegan Leather Portfolio Clutch. I did have a color choice on this one, and I picked the black. It really does look a lot like leather, and it's soft and pliable, yet feels really sturdy. There were so many pockets. It would be great for traveling, and it does fit the large iPad. It was ethically made in China. The owner of this California-based company makes a point to make responsible and conscious choices with the factories that she uses, and she looks at her business and how it impacts the environment. The next item is this postcard made by the same illustrator that designed the box. It is a beautiful print with bright colors and patterns, and it really showcases the beauty of strong women. A quote from Alja Horvat is, "I like to paint to make people happy. I want them to feel happy when they see my work." I definitely feel happy when I look at her illustrations. Next is this bracelet from Marina de Bucci. I did have a choice on this one, and the other had a key on it, and I really loved the little star and the moon on this one. It's just a really cute design, and the quality feels so nice. Each purchase of a Fighting for Freedom bracelet contributes 10% to the A21 campaign to fight human trafficking. This is a cause that Marina has been really passionate about since she was 18, and she saw a video at a London women's event about the nonprofit A21 and how they were helping to fight human trafficking. She has taken her talent for jewelry design and turned it into something that can really do good by donating some of the profits to A21. Next is a product from the brand Cosmetics. Have you heard of this brand before? Let me know in the comment section below. I had not heard of them or tried any of their products before, and I love always getting a skincare product in these subscription boxes because there are just so many skincare products to choose from. I mean, Ulta and Sephora are pretty overwhelming when you walk in there if you don't have something specific you're looking for. So I always welcome these suggested items in my seasonal subscription boxes. This is a nice large package of the Glow Bamboo Brightening Mask. And the founders of this company are committed to using clean ingredients. I love that there's no harsh chemical ingredients in this product, and I'm really excited to try it out. I'll have to let you guys know what I think of it. I love, love, love the packaging on this next product. Look how pretty the flower watercolor is, and it just screams that spring is here. This is such a cool product too. It is from the Wild brand, and the owner Joy is passionate about the environment and animal rights. This skin cleansing product is made of the konjac plant, which grows wild in Southeast Asia, and it thrives in its natural environment without irrigation or even fertilizers. It is infused with pink clay from France before it's baked like a cookie. A portion of the proceeds goes to Sea Shepherd, which is an action-oriented ocean conservation organization. Next, we have another skincare product from the Kalos brand. I have already been using this and I love the way it smells and it makes my skin feel so good. It's called the Mist Congeniality Elixir Toning Mist. It smells like roses and it really refreshes your skin with all natural ingredients. I use it as a refresher over my makeup, and sometimes I use it as a toner in the morning before makeup, and sometimes I even use it before bed after washing my face. It has rose, aloe, chamomile, and witch hazel. And a portion of every Kalos purchase is donated to girls' education around the world. Next, we have a fashion product from the Cleobella brand. I was able to choose my pattern, and I just loved the soft colors and beautiful floral pattern of this scarf. It's made of what they call vegan silk, which is essentially polyester. It was responsibly made in China, and the owner of this company really tries to celebrate female empowerment. She does this by raising consciousness of female integrity from production to purchase. The company works with care.org, and the patterns for the scarves were hand painted by female artisans from around the world. This is another product with super cute packaging. It is a bamboo lyocell face mask from the Ettitude brand. I did not have a choice on the color of this one, but it also came in black, blue, pink, and green. This innovative fabric took years for them to perfect, but now this sustainable fabric made from scratch is so soft and it's less absorbent than cotton, so that means it won't soak up all of your eye cream as you wear it through the night. The company supports One Girl because they empower girls through education. Sustainability and empowering women are just a few reasons to support this brand, and I am so happy to have been introduced to them through this product. This box just keeps going on, but sadly we have made it to our final product. This is an interesting product for the home. It is from the brand Altru, which works with One Tree Planted, which is a charity that streamlines the process of sourcing and planting tree saplings. This macrame plant hanger can be used with various sizes of pots, and I just love how macrame is coming back into style after a long dormant interest in it from way back in the 70s. I think this is a beautiful, simple piece that will just look good with any home decor. It really is like Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever you celebrate every time that you get a subscription box in the mail. I paid $49 for all these products and the value was well over $200. I love finding out about new brands and getting a few fun things to celebrate the upcoming season. CosBox scores really high on my list of favorite subscription boxes now. I would put it in the top 3, and I have tried a lot. I would compare it most to FabFitFun, but with that ethical consumerism spin on it. I'm really looking forward to getting my next one, and I will be sure to share that with you guys. Make sure to check out my other subscription box reviews that I've done, and if you're interested in that, I will make sure to link those in the description box below. If you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more fun videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.